Unstructured data in data science, issues and solutions. Unstructured data is any info without a predefined model or structure. Unlike structured data in SQL tables, unstructured data can be in various formats. These include text, audio, video, images, and social media posts. Difficulty in processing and analyzing. The most significant challenge with unstructured data is its inherent lack of organization. Unlike structured data, which SQL can easily query, unstructured data has no format. It makes it harder for data scientists to use traditional analysis tools and methods. Images and videos. Analyzing visual data requires deep learning. It often needs specialized architectures, like convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Real-time analysis of large image or video data can be costly. It is also resource-heavy. Volume and storage. Unstructured data is vast and continuously growing. Storing, managing, and indexing such large amounts of data is challenging. Unstructured data needs more complex storage than structured data. Structured data can be stored in rows and columns in relational databases. They include distributed file systems, object storage, for example, AWS S3, Hadoop HDFS, and cloud storage. Data quality and noise. Unstructured data often has noise, irrelevant info, or errors. This makes it hard to find useful patterns. For example, social media comments and reviews may have slang and misspellings. They may also have irrelevant info. This could skew analysis. Cleaning unstructured data and filtering out noise require advanced techniques. These include text preprocessing, tokenization, and filtering. Integration with structured data. Structured data fits neatly into databases. But, combining it with unstructured data is often not straightforward. We need to integrate two types of data. First, we have text from customer interactions, like call center transcripts. Conclusion. In conclusion, unstructured data poses many challenges for data scientists. They struggle to process and analyze it. They also face noise and integration issues. With the right tools and techniques, businesses can transform.